What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this product review, we are going to go over this tire shine right here. So we are going to go ahead, spray on our tires and see how everything comes out. It says deep, wet, black shine. We are going to go ahead and spray it. Any special directions? Let's see. Shake well. Apply on a cool, clean, dry tire in a well-ventilated area. All right. Now you got the regular standard stuff. Hold can 4 to 6 inches away and spray directly onto the tire. Sorry, you guys, I heard something. Spray onto the tire in a thin, uniform pattern. And then 2, it says wipe off excess if needed. So I never ever wiped off tire shine before, but if we need to, we'll do it. All right. And make sure, in case you're allergic to chemicals and stuff like that, because they got a skull right here, you might want to wear some good PPE. Okay, whether it's being a face mask or whatever. Definitely a good shine. The spray comes out a little bit different. It seems like it comes out in 4 pattern. So just take a quick look at this. So you see how it comes out? Like other sprays come out differently. It's hard to explain, but it smells good. I told y'all not be careful of the smell, but this smells good. All right. All right, not bad. It's looking good. It's looking good. Now, usually on my channel, I'll let y'all know like how long something lasts. Some products may last a couple of days. Wow, this stuff, the way this sprays out, it has a good coverage. This can don't consume that much. You might be able to use this a few times. Might use it on the truck as well. I cleaned the truck too. Nice. I'll let y'all know how long it lasts. Maybe I'll pop up sometime next week on a YouTube short. Or the next time I clean my car, I'll let y'all know. Usually I clean my car every week and a half, 2 weeks or something like that. If we're bored, we'll clean it once a week.